Alright, so today we're starting a unit on geometry. So first we're going to go over a bit of the properties of what some of the shapes are. So we know for triangles is going to be a big part of our unit. So triangles, we know that they have three sides and that their inside angles, these angles here, add up to 180 degrees right there. So next we're going to talk about the square. So you should already know some of the properties of the square. We know that they have, like, for example, the four sides, and then they add up to 360 degrees. But what you may not understand is why we know that it adds up to 360 degrees. So if we draw from this corner to another corner, we see that two triangles actually appear. So we talked about a minute ago that we could say that triangles add up to 180 degrees on their insides. So 1, 2, 3, those ones add up to 180. And then 1, 2, 3, they also add up to 180. So now we're going to look at an example that might be a little weird. So this actually is an incorrect example. So sorry, I was checking for time. So this example right here, this is a single line. So what we can't do is we can't go from a corner to a side because we just made up a corner here. So this is a four-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should also have 360 degree angles inside. But right now we see it as three triangles. So instead, we're going to redraw this. So in the classroom, the students would do this like with their group or whatever, just drawing a simple shape. So it's basically the same as the one above. So now we're just going to show that they're supposed to be going from one corner to another corner, and it actually gets two triangles instead of the way that it was previously. So that adds up to 180 degrees. So now we're going to go to this example here. Now this is a five-sided figure, a regular pentagon. So we're going to say we actually don't know what the angles of this are, but we can figure it out by doing corner to corner. But you can have more than one going to the same corner. But you see there, we got 1, 2, 3 triangles. So we know that a pentagon adds up to 180 degrees times 3, the number of triangles that it has. So that can be a kind of universal formula for all figuring out the number of degrees in every shape. So I'm going to pause the video, and then I have another example here.